Hello and welcome to this week's episode of our team building model. My name is Justin and I do shipping here at Small Addictions RC. My step for this week was adding the door trim, the mirrors, and adding the decals to the car, which is the final step in this model. For this, I used the Revell Contact Liquid because with these handles being small, it was very easy to put on with the glue tip applicator. And for the decals, pretty much just water slide, so all I needed was some water. I think this model turned out pretty good for each person in our job having a different step of the build. I'm looking forward to whatever project we're going to be doing next. Please stay tuned for when we start that series, and we'll see you then.